Greentown Launch was developed to address a pretty important problem that many clean tech startups face, and that is that they need large partners to help them scale their technology towards impact. This program teaches you how to work with that corporate partner.
To take the big corporate structure of a company like Saint-Gobain that has discipline, it has capital, and has great research background, and find people like yourselves who are disruptors.
We like to work with startup companies to learn about their technologies, learn about their business models, learn about a new market.
To find a match where we can look to driving innovation in creative ways. The InNOVAte 2019 challenge is really to look for disruptive innovation across the construction environment.
A 6-month accelerator program that is focused on connecting entrepreneurs with the mentorship, the team members, the business and technical resources that they need to launch successful ventures.
We make it easy to build walls in seconds with no skill or tools. HyperFrame is a metal wall framing system that will revolutionize the commercial construction industry.
We've developed the first window upgrade solution that does not require removing any part of the original windows in order to bring them up to the highest energy efficiency standards and incorporate the latest smart window technologies.
Our first product, which is a machine that actually prefabricated walls, takes only 2 minutes to raise a wall.
Textile Materials is developing multifunctional construction materials for buildings, materials that automatically manage heat and water, and they make buildings more energy efficient, more comfortable, and more durable.
One of the most valuable pieces of the challenge was the accountability of the challenge. We partnered with both general and corporate mentors from Greentown and Saint-Gobain. They had bi-weekly check-ins with us that really pushed us that extra mile to achieve the goals that we needed to make HyperFrame successful.
The insights that Saint-Gobain had, how they interact with builders and suppliers, distributors, those kinds of insights were really valuable because they really helped us hone in on specific concepts that could work in the market.
We are all very technical people. Maybe we were a little bit lost in the research and development process. So now we are more ready to focus on one step at a time and achieve that milestone and move to the next step.
The key milestones that I feel we've achieved during the InNOVAte 2019 challenge were securing a pilot project with Saint-Gobain, receiving funding through their venture arm, and also establishing relationships with senior executive people at Saint-Gobain and other companies that are part of the Saint-Gobain ecosystem.
All 4 of these startups are really challenging the way that things are built today and asking, can we do it more efficiently and can we do it safer, but in smart and clever ways?
Saint-Gobain has been an important partner in helping Greentown Labs think about the future of a construction industry that has to be lighter, better, faster, and most importantly, more sustainable.